Namaskar. The year 2021 has been full of challenges. While it took away from us the thrill of being one-to-one with our parents in the grand annual function that we have been holding over the years, yet it has opened up new vistas of innovative ways by which we could reach out to our children and parents, and hence this e-report. Even amidst the constraints, our children reached out new horizons and gave school many occasions to cherish the achievements. We present before you this e-report of achievements of our children. I hope you would enjoy it. Happy viewing. We are sure from April 2021, we shall again be one-to-one with our children and live our lives up to the brim. Till then, enjoy and take care.
Namaskar. Welcome to the e-annual report of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Vidya Ashram, K. Munshi Marg, Jaipur for the year 2019-20. To begin with, the most notable achievement for this year, Balwadi of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Vidya Ashram has been ranked 7th at the national level and first at the state and the city level by Education World Grand Jury India Preschool Rankings 2020-21. Bhavan's Vidyashram became the proud recipient of the prestigious Mother Teresa Memorial Award instituted by the Indian Development Foundation for resource mobilization for the underprivileged. In the state level philatelic exhibition, School Packs 2020, our school has won the late Bhargava Memorial Trophy for the best school. In the 9th National Conference on Mathematics Education, organized by NCERT, the research paper of Dr. Alok Sharma, TGT Mathematics, was selected and presented. He had the honor of presenting another research paper on integration of streams in school education organized by NCERT. India International Science Festival 2020 was organized by the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, wherein 46 competitions were organized in various categories. In an essay writing competition on how science should be taught, Srimati Suman Joshi, PGT Biology, secured the 3rd position in the category of teachers teaching standard 9th to 12th. She'll be receiving a certificate and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Dr. Dipali Pradhan received Global Teachers Awards 2020 and a Certificate of Excellence in recognition of her dedicated efforts and contribution to education. Akshini Bhatnagar, TGT Mathematics, received Women's Conclave Award 2020 in recognition of her contribution in social awareness campaign as an educationist and a social media activist. A compilation of her Hindi poetry work, Katra Katra Dhoop, was also released on October 15, 2020. At the national level online quiz Quizathon, BVB Vidya Ashram, K. Munshi Marg, Jaipur secured the 2nd position. The participants were Kanupriya Johri, Vedant Sharma, Ahana Baj, and Aditya Vardhan Roy. In the same event, Bhavya Jain of Bhavan's Vidya Ashram, K. Munshi Marg, Jaipur, bagged the 1st position in the poem competition Celebrating its 25 glorious years, Bhavan's Tripura Vidya Mandir organized Cultura Fiesta 2021. On this occasion, different events were organized. In the dance competition titled Beat the Floor, Ananya Dalvi secured third position. Bharti Vidya Bhavan's Rajaji Vidyashram organized an online inter-school quizzing event wherein 7 teams out of 220 teams from 55 Bhavan schools were shortlisted for the final round. Shaurya Singhal of class 11th and Kanupriya Johri of class 12th, Bhavan's Vidyashram ke Munshi Marg Jaipur, secured the second position. Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan conducted India's first mega science experiment on 29th and 30th November 2020 for the students of classes 6th to 11th. Out of 66 students who participated in the quiz, 24 students directly got nominated for India International Science Festival IISF. Information Security Education and Awareness ISEA, a Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, conducted an array of competitions. In the drawing competition, Elisha Jhanwar of class 8 stood first at the state level. In essay writing competition, Samdarshi Jain and Arush Chopra bagged the second and the third positions respectively at the state level. Ananya Sharma of class 12th got a comic on generalized anxiety disorder published in Psychologues magazine. She has been appointed as the comic writer and designer for the next 6 months. International Olympiad on English Language and Leadership organized a virtual Olympiad. Ananya Sharma of class 12th was declared the second runner-up. Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research, INSPIRE scheme, is a flagship program of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. The INSPIRE Awards Manak, Million Minds Augmenting National Aspirations and Knowledge, being executed by Department of Science and Technology with National Innovation Foundation, India, aims to motivate students studying in class 6th to 10. Under this scheme, Jayesh Chaudhary, Parnika Jain and Anika Jain qualified for the district level exhibitions and project competitions. The trio will receive a cash prize of Rs 10,000 each for this achievement. Enviro Quiz, organized by Australian National Chemistry Quiz, Ahana Baj of class 10th received a Platina Award of Excellence for securing a position in the top 5% of all the participants globally. Similarly, in the SciPi quiz, Akshita Vineet Dikshit of class 9th received a Platina Award of Excellence for securing a position in the top 5% of all the participants globally. We express our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. A.K. Sharma Sir, Bhavan's Regional Education Officer in New Delhi, under whose leadership multifold workshops were organized for the teachers of Bhavan schools across the country. The faculty members of BVB Vidyashram were the resource persons for the same. School Principal Srimati Pratima Sharma delivered the keynote address for 2 of these webinars. The first one on the role of emotional intelligence in establishing emotional well-being, and the second one a webinar on biological sciences. No planning and execution of any activity is complete without the support of our omnipresent Vice Principal, Srimati Smita Bhatnagar. She has been the facilitator of organizing each and every activity of the school. Ms. Mamta Pahwa conducted a musical session on pure and powerful thoughts through prayers. Realizing the need of reducing the impact of stress during virtual learning and improving the overall health and wellness, an online workshop on managing stress and promoting wellness in teachers during virtual learning was held, for the teachers of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan on Mental Health Day. Dr. Ashrit Tiwari, PGT Psychology, BVB Vidyashram, KM Munshi Marg, Jaipur, was one of the resource persons. She highlighted the significance of staying positive in these trying times. To celebrate Hindi Divas, an online Kavita Path workshop was organized wherein Srimati Usha Dashora presented her work, which was duly appreciated. A 10-day webinar on biological sciences was conducted wherein Srimati Pratima Sharma was the resource person. The topic was Ancient Indian Customs, Traditions and their Scientific Relevance for Human Beings. The program coordinator for this webinar series was Srimati Suman Joshi. Along the same lines, an in-service training program for the teachers of English language was also organized from September 24th, 2020 to October the 3rd, 2020. Dr. Dipali Pradhan coordinated all the sessions meticulously. Similarly, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan organized a Sanskrit webinar for Bhavan Sanskrit teachers on the topic Encouraging Innovative Approach Among Sanskrit Teachers. Shri Ashish Kumar Joshi coordinated the webinar under the able guidance of Regional Officer Shri A.K. Sharma Sir. As always, the school principal Srimati Pratima Sharma was invited as the keynote speaker for a number of conferences and webinars this year. To name a few, 11th All India Conference for the Principals of Bhavan Secondary and Senior Secondary Schools and National Education Policy Workshop organized by Bhavan's Research and Development Center, Kochi Kendra. And next on queue are the results of CBSE exams 2020 and the star achievers of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Vidya Ashram. In science stream, Samyak Jain and Meenal Agrawal stood first with a percentage of 97.2, while the second place was shared by Kritika Mittal and Astha Sarda with 96.4%. Yuganshi Agarwal ranked third with 96.2%. In a close competition in the commerce stream, Astha Agarwal scored 97.6%, while Moktik Sanghi followed a close second with 97.2%. Niharika Sharma took the third place with 97%. Shubhshri Meena topped the humanities stream with a high of 97.2%, while Kajal Rajawat stood second with 96.8%. Brinda Kalani followed with 95.6%. Class 10 results too registered a thumping victory with their knockout performance. Vishwajit Singh Rajawat topped the exams with 98.6%. Aditya Divya Sharma and Medhan Sharma shared the second spot with 98.4%. And Vedanshi Goyal got the third position with 98.2%. It is significant that though a perfect score of 100 in various subjects seemed within an easy reach of 34 students, 133 students scored 90% and above in all 5 subjects. The smashing success of the students in IIT, NEET and CLAT are noteworthy, with 12 students having cleared IIT and NEET each, alongside Harshvardhan Sharma, Aditya Singh and Shubhshri Meena, who made a place for themselves in CLAT. Harshvardhan Sharma's outstanding performance resounded all the more at rank 14 in National Law University, Delhi. 8 students, Cherish Jain, Gauri Joshi, Vedant Sharma, Medhan Sharma, Riya Singhania, Rahul Gupta, Manas Mittal and Piyush Bangar became NTSC scholars, while Sarthak Gupta qualified for Kishore Vigyanik Protsahan Yojana, that is KVPY. Aryan Sharma and Ayushi Purohit left an aftertaste of success by qualifying B Arch in JEE 2020. Vrinda Kalani cleared NIFT 2020. Vedant Sharma received Academic Excellence Scholarship for scoring the highest marks in all Olympiads organized by Science Olympiad Foundation. Soumya Mathur and Harshvardhan Sharma secured the second and the third positions respectively in International English Olympiad. Medhansh Sharma clinched the fourth international rank in National Science Olympiad, while Jai Vedya held the sixth international rank in the International Mathematics Olympiad. Rakshit Gupta and Kushagra Agrawal bagged the third zonal rank in National Cyber Olympiad and International Cyber Olympiad, respectively. The roots of education lie in competition, as they motivate the students to demonstrate their inherent talents. Our students exhibited excellence in various virtual inter-school competitions. Ananya Sharma from 12th E won the runner-up Best Delegate in Impact International Model UN Conference. She also served as a Secretariat member in EMUN and received a certificate and a letter of recommendation. Adi Shashwat Kulashrestha participated as a delegate in IMUN online conference and received verbal commendation. Astane Sheher, a monologue presentation organized by Army Public School. Juhi Jain of class 9 presented herself as Jaipur City and stood second. Shashwat Pandey from 7th A and Samarth Goyal, class 8th, won the group discussion organized by Jayashree Periwal High School, while Jayesh Chaudhary of 10th D was declared the first runner-up. In an inter-school business plan competition, talent exchange, Komal Narula, Lucky Jain, Meghna Raghani and Tanish Jain represented the school team and walked off with the bronze medal. Shreyas Jain and Vasundhara Rajeshwari won the first and the third positions respectively in an inter-school movie-making competition organized by Jayashree Periwal Global School. The Department of Science and Technology, Government of Rajasthan organized a file cover design competition. Elisha Jhamar won the first prize. 10 students of both classes 11th and 12th were declared winners in the Aquaregia Science Quiz organized by the Time Private Limited. GL competition organized by Halcon Public School. Kaustubh Khandelwal and Diya Jain stood third in an ingenious event. Shambhavi Dubey and Karthik Mangal won the second position, surpassing 150 schools in an inter-school photography competition organized by Delhi Public School, RK Puram. In a symposium conducted and organized by Bhavans Tripura Vidya Mandir on the occasion of International Day of Girl Child, the head girl of Bharti Vidya Bhavans Vidya Ashram, Paridhi Gupta, represented the school. Richa Kothari of class 11 was declared the winner in a solo online dance video contest in the semi-classical category organized by the Interact Rotary Club. ASN International School, Delhi, organized an inter-school fest titled Velocity Unlimited 2020. Around 69 schools participated. Sarvottam Malpani of class 3 won the first prize in solo singing music competition. In an inter-school English debate competition organized by Gyan Vihar School, Ananya Sharma of class 12th E secured the third position. Khanak Khandelwal participated in an inter-school creative charisma competition organized by Maheshwari Girls Public School and bagged the first prize. The school secured the second position in an inter-school music competition titled Pratispardha 2021 organized by Kapil Gyanpith School. Aryaveer Singh and Aditi Saxena bagged the second position. In the same event, In competition, Mahan Vibhutiyan, ACT Universal, United Arab Emirates organized an international inter-school Hindi poetry recitation contest on the occasion of 26th January. Nehal Grover from class 5B secured first position in junior category. Arnav Mathur from class 4th A received the first prize in the first national online drawing and painting competition 2020 organized by Shri Chitragupta Society for Entrepreneurship, Nurturing and Awareness on the theme COVID-19 and its effects on society. Shrishti Agrawal from class 4th F stood first in an inter-school upcycling plastic competition, and Janisha Jain from class 3rd B secured the second position in the inter-school online mask making competition organized by Manav Rachna International School. A Hasyakavi Sammelan was organized by Army Public School in an inter-school festival Expression 2020. Nehal Grover bagged the third position. In an online story writing competition organized by Peak a Book, a festival of children's literature, Manvi Dikshit stood first. Sanaya Beniwal from class 5E was declared the first runner-up in an online inter-school storytelling event, Christmas Tales. Words of gratitude. Shivi Sharma received Judges Appreciation Award in an online speech competition at Frosty Fest 2020 organized by Delhi Public School, Jaipur. Aditi Saxena secured the third position in DigiStrokes at Bhavans Devang Mehta Memorial Information Technology Symposium. Wikipedia. A national level English quiz was organized by Jayashree Periwal Global School. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram team was declared second runner-up. The various clubs, activities and competitions provide a springboard to the students to gratify their creative expression and also polish themselves to excel in their art. So now, let us talk about different clubs and their activities in our school. The Interact Club, reaffirming its philanthropic ideals, commits itself to those in need with its charitable goals. From crowdfunding to distribution of COVID essentials, the club made a significant contribution by creating awareness about the spread of the virus and all possible precautions to be taken for its containment. Besides attending an online mask making workshop, the club organized an activity Pot a Plant on the foundation day of the school. The club also celebrated Diwali with the motto Spread Light, Spread a Smile and donated sweets dry ration, diyas, and oil to the underprivileged section of the society. The club also observed Vigilance Awareness Week, in which the members took the oath of integrity and motivated others to do the same. The Home Science Club, in collaboration with the Institute of Hotel Management and Culinary Studies, organized an online Star Chef competition for the students of classes 9 and 10. Kea Kala bagged the first position, Anupriya Mathur stood second, and Aryaman Singhi got the third position. In trying times of pandemic, where mobility was put to test, the school conducted a workshop, Sadhana, the Liberation, engaging the students of classes 5 to 8th in a series of fun-filled activities. The workshop included 2 sessions of 5 continuous days of Zumba, aerobics, yoga, physical exercises for enhancing physical and spiritual endurance. Niceties of Kalamkari, Madhubani and Worli paintings were rolled out in fine arts. Classes for Garba in dance, Sangat in instrumental music, Sangam and folk in music unfolded the subtleties of performing arts. To pay tribute to Dr. K.M. Munshiji, a far-sighted visionary, the book club of the school organized a series of competitions. The book club also conducted a string of activities to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekananda. The newly elected Prefectural Council 2020 of the Junior and Senior Wings was sworn in a virtual ceremony.
On my electrifying journey from 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 to sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x, I have realized that any winner is just a dreamer who never gives up.
So I say to the Student Council of 2021, together we can inspire galaxies of greatness for generations to come. So no, the sky is not the limit. Lift off.
हम गया संसार सारा, हो रहा ओझल किनारा, सांस डर कर ले रहे हैं, विष घुला है हर नजारा, किंतु हम खुद को पुनः सुकरात कर लेंगे, फिर नई शुरुआत 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 कर लेंगे.
The member of Prefectural Council 2021 take a pledge of full cooperation, a deep sense of commitment and sincerity in extending my services to the institution. I will spread brotherhood and harmony amongst my fellow beings.
I remember the day 6 years ago when I entered the gates of this huge building the first time in my life as a nervous little kid of Balwadi. I had goosebumps, feeling like a tiny droplet about to get lost in the vast ocean. Today, as I stand in front of all of you as the head girl, I am having goosebumps again, feeling proud and privileged for belonging to this magnificent institution, the Bhavans.
I take pride in the fact that being a part of this prestigious institution, this temple of education, is nothing less than a dream come true. When I look back in hindsight, I realize that my journey from a tiny tot of class 1 to class 5 has been momentous. Since then, it was an artist's journey.
The cultural extravaganza of festivals, high days and holidays soared in its entertainment appeal with the on-screen visuals that enhanced viewer participation and also introduced the students to host, conduct and participate in online mode. On the 36th Foundation Day, a video on the journey of the school in the last 36 years was released. Dr. A.K. Sharma and Dr. E. Kutti made the day memorable with their presence. Promoting a tree plantation drive, members of WOSA and head boys, head girls of previous years planted a sapling in their vicinity. The activity was shared on a virtual platform. August 2020. The 74th Independence Day was celebrated with full nationalistic sentiment and pride in an online mode to connect everyone and bring them on the same virtual platform. Principal Srimati Pratima Sharma hoisted the national flag amid COVID-19 protocol.
Salutations to the worthy citizens on the occasion of 74th Independence Day. We welcome you to the celebration of our freedom on this virtual platform. Our heart swells with pride to see spark of prosperity, happiness and unity spread across the Indian horizon. On this occasion of 74th Independence Day, I congratulate you all and salute to the very spirit of being Indian.
यह बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी बस चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत शहीदों ने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा अपने दिलों में बसाए रखना।
प्यारे बच्चों एवं मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। देखिए कैसा समय आ गया है कि स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं भी यूँ आज इस डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पर देनी पड़ रही हैं। और कोई बात नहीं, जब चुनौतियां हैं तो चुनौतियों का सामना करने का हौसला भी है।
Of songs and dances on the occasion of Krishna Janmashtami once again spoke of the precision, caliber and meticulousness of our Bhavanites. Bharati Vidya Bhavan's Vidyashram became the first school in the city to organize the International MUN on digital platform. The school hosted a 3-day International MUN with around 250 participants from across the globe. In a fiesta of one of its kind, the school organized a unique drive-through Christmas and New Year fiesta in the school premises. It was the talk of the town. The tiny tots of Balwari and Class 1 visited the school premises in the driveway. January 26, 2021. The 72nd Republic Day was celebrated in school campus. Principal Srimati Pratima Sharma unfurled the national flag. To mark the advent of the spring season, And also to worship Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and wisdom, the school celebrated Basant Panchami in the school temple. Farewells are always poignant moments. This year, we bid fond farewell to Srimati Valentina Katuria, Srimati Neelu Sharma, Srimati Rekha Sen, and Shri Ajit Singh Rathore. In CBSE National Swimming Championship, the school team won a bronze medal. In West Zone Swimming Championship, Vidyashram Swimming Team got 22 gold, 11 silver and 3 bronze medals. First West Zone Karate Championship 2019, Arinjay Jain won a gold medal in under 11 individual kata category. Mukesh Karamchandani of class 11th won a silver medal in under 19 district badminton tournament held at BSNL Academy. And with that, we have come to the end of this e-annual report. Thank you for giving us the privilege of your precious time. Thank you.